our thoughts and our prayers go out to all those who are on active duty today. Folks, you'll see a great celebration that's going on up here. Be ready for the 2019 season that they're looking forward to. In 1960, the United States Army retired into 1992. 1961, she was sold to an institute in Court named LRod. And it was here at President your way back, man. It's good. He might get ready that time. He does up to the top, and he looks up and he's downstairs here. Find out to you,
Those are really pretty shades of green and blue, aren't they?
Oh, Jiggy, we'll look up there to the left. That's our fireman, Jiggy. Y'all wave at him up there. He works awful hard. He actually hand shovels every bit of that coal that goes into that firebox that keeps this engine going there, keeps that water hot so that it can move those wheels, take us up and down the mountain here. On a single day, Klondike Katie can burn up to 5 tons of coal. She can drink up to 5,000 gallons of water. And she can bring upwards to 5,000 people up and down this mountain here. We here at Dollywood are certainly proud of Klondike Katie. We're certainly proud of our firemen and our engineers here. And we hope you all enjoy riding behind this engine as much as we do. And oh, by the way, this engine does operate the very same that she does whenever she was first built way back in 1943.
Wonder how heavy each of those pieces are.
I remember all of them used to be covered up like that.
Oh, how about that? Get in here. And folks, Klondike Katie woman, remind me, we're crossing Timber Canyon here. That's home to Dollywood's award-winning wooden roller coaster, the Thunderhead. Look up there a little farther and you can see the Mystery Mine. Now that ride takes you on high-speed white knuckle loops and turns, drops you down an 85-foot mine shaft. Look up there too at the present time. Dollywood's newest attraction was that's the drop line. That'll take you up 230 feet, and maybe there for a second or two you'll be able to look around pretty good. But it's going to drop you down at speeds of 77,